Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Faraway. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about orange peel and the reducers. Okay, a couple of people have been asking me why I don't get much orange peel on my paint jobs and what causes orange peel. Okay, there's three reasons, guys. First reason, it has to do a lot with the temperature that's inside your painting area, your paint booth, your painting garage, etc. Has to do a lot with that. Now, second reason is going to be your gun setting, how you set up your gun. Now, I do have a video. I already made a video showing you how I set up my gun. I'm going to leave it, there's a link below. I'm going to put it there. You can go to that video and see how I set up my gun for this type of not getting orange peel. Okay, and the final reason is going to be how you mix your paint, how you use your reducers and or hardeners. Okay, that has to do a lot. Now there's three types of reducers and hardeners. Okay, you got your medium, you got your slow, and you got your fast. Those are the three main reducers and hardeners, activators, whatever you want to call it, it's the same thing. Okay, now the fast reducer and hardener I almost never use. It is recommended for like spot repairs, let's say a fender here, a hood there, that you need to get it out. And also the fast reducer is more for 70 degrees, more or less 70 degrees and below Fahrenheit. I'm talking about Fahrenheit. So just remember that your fast reducer and activator hardener, it's going to be for 70 degrees and below, which here in Texas it's almost never that temperature. Right now it is because we're in winter, but in the summer days and all that it's 110, 105. So I usually never use the fast reducer and hardener, but maybe in your area you will need it. Now you have a medium reducer, and that's for temperatures between 70 and 80 degrees. 70 and 80 degrees, you will be needing to use that medium reducer. And that medium reducer can be used for an overall paint job. Okay, that gives you time for that paint to dry out perfectly, to settle down, and to have your paint, even if it's metallics, to settle down perfectly. Okay, and now you have your slow reducer. Your slow reducer, this one right here, and the brand doesn't really matter. I've been using mix in different brands. It doesn't really matter. Now your slow reducer, that's usually for 80 degrees and up. Okay, 80 degrees Fahrenheit and up. That's usually what I use. I use these two, either the medium or the slow. And that's basically it. Okay, so going back to reason number one, that's gonna be your room temperature. Now you gotta select your right reducer and activator for that temperature. That's basically it. That's basically it. Now there's humidity also, which here in Texas it's really bad in the summertime, but I usually just go by the reducers, and it's been working for me perfect. Okay, now the gun setting, reason number two is the gun setting, which I already mentioned. I already did a video on that, and go watch that video so you can know how I set up my guns. And that gun setting, I usually use it in winter and in hot weather, so it doesn't really matter. It works for both. And the third reason is you're going back to this. So basically your main thing that you might be getting a bunch of orange peel, and orange peel, guys, you can't avoid it. It's gonna happen. Maybe you have very little, and maybe you have a lot. Even the brand new cars, you've seen them. Some of them have real bad orange peel and some of them don't. but it's how they spray them at the factory. But for you guys, for DIY guys, that your reducers is going to be your main thing. Okay, so don't forget, just select the right reducer for the right temperature, the right activator or hardener for the right temperature, and you'll be good. You won't have that much orange peel, and you'll be doing flawless jobs. Okay, all right guys, another thing is let me explain a little bit about drying times in between coats. In between coats, I usually wait like around 15 minutes. That lets that paint to cure, for all those metallics and everything to settle down and cure the way they're supposed to. So I leave it in between 15 minutes in between coats. Now, after throwing the last coat of paint, before throwing the clear, I tend to leave it 20 minutes. I tack it off with a tack rag, clean everything up. The paint should be dry by then if you use the correct reducer and hardener. So just clean it up, tack it up with a tack rag so you can get all the debris that's left, and wait 20 minutes and then start shooting your clear. Now for the clears, I wait the same time, 15 minutes in between coats of each clear, and that's been working for me. So I hope this little in between coat waiting time helps, but that's the way I've been doing it. And you don't use the tack rag in between coats of clear. In between the clear, you're gonna mess everything up. The clear is just 15 minutes in between. Throw yourself 3 to 4 coats. I usually go 4 coats when I'm gonna cut and buff. I usually go 4, that way I can have enough thickness on the clear so that I don't cut through. Okay, so that's the reason sometimes I use 4. But yeah, so that's how I do it in the in-between coats. Okay, all right guys, well this will be it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out understanding when to use your reducers and activators, at what temperatures, and why you might be getting a bunch of orange peel. Okay, all right guys, well thank you very much. This is a new year, 2020. Let's go and start making some more videos, and I hope these kind of little videos help you guys out. Please let me know in the comments if you like these types of little videos or you just like painting videos. Please let me know. That way I can tweak and move and adjust my video content. Okay guys, well this will be it for this video guys. Like the video guys, share the video, helps a lot. Hit that thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and let's try to help out some more people guys. Let's try to reach as many people as possible so we can help them out and go from there. All right, and like always guys, have a great week and God bless.